This is the frameless Torras Q1 Slim MagSafe Kickstand case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look. Look at how slim that is, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. On the outside, it is completely flush within the frame. Look at how thin that is. Oh my gosh. And then when you open it, I want to show you from the inside. Well, I'm not feeling that on the inside. Nothing is moving or scratching your phone. Really well made. This does not rotate. It's just one direction, but it is going to stop kind of anywhere in between. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and pop it on a phone. Snap, snap, snap. Oh my goodness, y'all. There's no frame here. So it gives you a totally bare feel. If you're holding it like this, it feels like it's just your phone, no bulky case or anything. But it's gonna protect your four corners, the whole top, the bottom, the corners. See how it's protecting those corners from drops? And then the back, it's gonna protect your lenses. You've got a lip there. All of those are going to be protected as well. And then it gives you the integrated kickstand. It's not gonna give you the full 360 bumper raised bezel around your screen, but it's gonna be protecting your corners and your lenses. You do have a little bit of a lip protecting the top of the screen, and at the bottom, a little bit over here and over here. Your port is cut out, your S Pen slot is open. That's a really unique case, y'all. Wow. This kickstand goes almost 180, like really, really great. The hinge is super strong. You're gonna be able to use it for vertical stand, horizontal stand too. So look at that, you can get a totally vertical stand. Wow, and then you can go back, keep adjusting it as much as you need. You can go horizontal, really, really steady. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. When it's horizontal, the two corners here are protecting it. So this frame is not actually touching the table. It's just ever so slightly lifted with those protecting. So that's a really nice bonus. And then when it's down like this, you've got the frame down here protecting that whole end. Just genius. Compatible with MagSafe accessories such as this magnetic car phone mount, and of course, wireless charging. If you're looking for a low profile, barely there, practically don't even feel like you have a case on it at all, this is amazing for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra from Torras. I love it, and I know you will too.